Hello, welcome to Veronika Hug. Today I'll show you how to do back single crochets in rounds. So the back single today because I'm doing the front rows in a bit different stitch, and if I turn this onto the side you can even see that we have all of the knots, and on the outside we have a nice flat pattern. So this is great if you are working with multiple colors and you want a nice and neat pattern on the one side, and then you can do all kinds of different effects depending on your wishes. I'm using Woolly Hugs Charity, and it's called Charity because every 25 cents of each spool go to a charity cause of my choice. So I did a section already, so I'm doing front and back rows with regular singles when I don't want my rows to kind of go to the side as I work them. So I would just do rounds like this and I'd get spirals, so I want to kind of prevent that. So the front row I am doing in the regular single crochet, just as you know it, but the other side, so here a little slower reminder so that you guys can follow as well. And that's it. One more time. So just go through and that's it. Go through, take the thread through as well, and repeat with the 2 loops. And we close around with the slip stitch. Then we do one more chain and we turn. And here is our beginning hole for the first stitch, and on the right from it will be our last stitch in the round. So here we go in from the back through both loops. Take the thread from under and through. From the top and through both loops. Again from the back through both, and then from under and through, and from the top and finish up through both loops. Again. You may notice how I'm twisting my needle to keep the thread on it, so use that to make it easier for yourself. One more time, real slow. So from the back through both loops. From under, take the thread and go through. From the top and take the thread through both loops. And this is what it looks like from the front. You see that we have the 2 rows that show the difference between the back singles and the regular singles. Here is where the round starts and ends. So this is it for today. I'll show you how to use this in other projects as well. This was just a basics video, and I'll definitely show you how to switch colors if you are doing multiple colors and maybe even a design with them. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found this useful. If you did, feel free to shoot a thumbs up. You can even subscribe and that way stay updated with each and every video that I post in the future, and it's all for free. So thanks for watching, Veronika Hug. I'll see you next time. Until then, have a great day. Bye!